How to fix TikTok shop not showing. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. This issue might sometimes occur if you are not using an updated version of the application. So, go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for TikTok and make sure your application is updated to its latest version. If not, update your application further. Now open the TikTok app on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now go to your profile by tapping on the profile option on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will see the option for settings and privacy. Tap on that and further scroll down and tap on the report a problem option you see there. Further, tap on the chat with us option. In the interface that you will then be led to, in the text box you see, enter your issue. Make sure to be very informative and descriptive about your issue for better responses from the support team, and further, follow the on-screen instructions provided by the support team and the issue should have been fixed by now. If not, make sure that the TikTok shop feature is available in your region, as this feature is not available in all regions and you might be facing this issue due to regional issues. So, this is how you can fix TikTok shop not showing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.